Trying to decide what your next move should be as a business? Creating a survey can help you figure it out, and our new ranking field is a perfect help. Let's create one together. For this example, I'm going to be the manager of a local amusement park called Fantasy Fest. We want to find out what type of ride we should build for our next attraction. I tried Roller Coaster Tycoon to come up with the last one, and it was a big flop. People were not fans of Mr. Bones' Wild Ride. So instead, let's try actually asking them. First, I want to get some basic information. Let's get their name, and then get some demographic information, like gender, age, household size, and also if they're a season pass holder or not. I'm going to use radio button fields for all of these. Now, we could use a number field for age, but we can also use a radio button field and use the bulk edit options to choose pre-filled age options. I'll add a few options for household size, and then a final 2-option question for whether or not they're a season pass holder. Let's save our work so far and call this form Customer Survey. Okay, so we have that info, but now I want to know what they like to ride at our park. Let's get their top rides by putting them in a ranking field. If you don't have our Surveys Polls add-on installed yet, you'll see it grayed out. Just click on it and install the plugin. Alright, now we have a ranking field. Let's label this field, Please rank your favorite rides at Fantasy Fest Park. Now all we need to do is add our rides. There we go, I have our 10 rides. But that's a lot, and I bet when it gets down to the end of their rankings, they don't really care. So I'm going to make it be a max ranking of 5 with this setting. I just want to know the top 5. I'll change the name of the field to clarify that. Alright, now I could be done here, but I want to get opinion of the little kids too without sending them a survey. So I'll update to save what I've done so far, and then duplicate this question, and change the label to Please rank the child's 5 favorite rides at Fantasy Fest Park. And then to clean it up a little, I'm going to add another radio button field right between these that asks, do you usually bring a child aged 3 to 12 with you when you come to Fantasy Fest Park? Using conditional logic, I'll only make this second ranking field appear when the answer to that question is yes. Okay, I think we did it. Let's save our work. Now you'll see some options at the top for your form. Let's jump to entries and just create a test entry. I'll fill it out quickly, rank some rides, and then say I don't bring a kid. Once you receive your first entry, you'll see there's now a new tab at the top called Reports. This is where you'll be able to see the results of your survey with automatically generated graphs to help you easily interpret the data. And you can get more granular and filter even more with our graph block for WordPress and build a beautiful private page where you can watch all the data roll in real time. And that's how you create a customer survey with a ranking field in WordPress. Subscribe for more form building and WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.